Can I open my eyes?
Yep, come over here. What's over here? What is in that box? Not that box.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, open it.
Open up the lid. Just take the lid off. Just take the lid off, baby.
It's a puppy. It's a puppy. It's a real puppy. I can keep it.
Yeah. It's your puppy.
Lizette Grace!
You got your puppy?
Oh,
It's a puppy.
oh, Lizette.
What do you think?
Can you believe it?
That's why I like it, because I heard it bark. I was like, oh, Nina's a puppy. I thought it was like a...
Look at that puppy. Oh,
How old is it?
She's 10 weeks.
she's a tiny baby puppy. Hi, baby. Come here, baby. This is her first day in a new house, so we have to help her get used to it.
I'm just going to hold her.
Okay.
Because that's the best way for stuff to get used to.
Okay. Well, come and put her on your lap.
What's your name? She says, I don't
Can
have
I name her?
Yes, you can name
She
her.
says, I don't have a name.
We need to get him a collar.
I have one for her.
Her first, oh, look at her.
I know.
Look at
I know what I should name her.
What?
What? Look how
Football.